Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotoka. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll share the recipe of INARI SUSHI. INARI is written like this. The taste varies depending on region and household. It is good to make inari sushi without vegetables, but I love it to make it with some vegetables. The texture is nice crunchy and aburaage is soft and moist. I hope you enjoy beautiful and delicious inari sushi. Yes, let's make it. First, I'll combine the sauce ingredients for aburaage. This is the recipe. I add all ingredients to the pot. It takes a time to bring out the flavor of kombu, so please do this work first. Meanwhile, I'll prepare deep fried thin tofu, aburaage. Put a pressure on aburaage with a chopstick. This work helps to open aburaage easily. Rotate the chopstick on it. Good. Then boil aburaage in the boiling water to remove the excess oil. The oil prevents the sauce flavor from penetrating, so this process is important. It's good to boil some aburaage at a time. I boil them for 1 minute. Then remove and transfer them to the strainer. And let them cool. Once they cool down, squeeze out the water. Okay. Next, cut aburaage into half. Good. I recommend to cut it diagonally. If we cut it diagonally, we can add the rice more comfortably. Like this. Let's simmer aburaage. Once the sauce boils, add aburaage to the sauce. And soak them in the sauce. Kombu flavors very well with aburaage. The flavor of aburaage varies depending on the household. In my house, the taste is sweet and rich. Then cover it with a lid and simmer it for 30 minutes over low heat. 30 minutes later, I turn off the heat. Perfect. I let it cool. Next, I'll prepare the vegetables. Cut the carrot into small dices, about 5 mm cubes. Carrot has nice crunchy texture to inari sushi. Good. Next burdock, gobo. Cut it into vertically at 3 mm intervals. Then slice it diagonally and thinly. Gobo adds earthy flavor and crunchy texture. If you get gobo, please use it. Then kombu, which was simmered with aburaage. I've never seen the chefs which use kombu like this, but I'm sure this is a good idea. Cut it into 2 cm intervals. Then chop it. Kombu adds rich flavor. Good. And last, mitsuba. This green color of mitsuba makes the look of sumeshi beautiful. I boiled mitsuba before boiling aburaage. Mitsuba is cooked quickly, so I boiled it for 1 moment. And chill it in the cold water. Then cut it. Nice. Next, I'll simmer the carrot, burdock, and kombu. Transfer the sauce of aburaage to the other pot, about 50 to 80 grams. Then carrot, burdock, and kombu. Turn on the heat and cook them for about 4 minutes. The tip is to cook them in a short time to remain the crunchy texture. Reduce the sauce. Once the sauce is almost gone, turn off the heat and let it cool. Next, I'll make sushi rice sumeshi. This is 200 grams of the rice. First, rinse the rice. The method of rinsing the rice is same as usual. Okay, keep the rice for 15 minutes to absorb the water. Meanwhile, I'll combine the sushi vinegar. The method is so simple. Combine all ingredients and stir it to melt the sugar and salt. Okay, let's cook the rice. It's 268 grams of rinsed rice, then 241 grams of water. The amount of the water is 10% less than rinsed rice. After that, I'll add the sushi vinegar, so if we cook the rice with more water, the texture of the rice becomes too soft and too moist. That's why the amount of the water is important. Then cook the rice. Of course, it's okay to use a rice cooker. Once the rice is cooked, let it stand for 5 minutes with a lid. Then open the lid. Beautiful. The rice is drier than usual. This is the best. Transfer the rice to the wooden bowl. The rice absorbs the rice vinegar while it's hot, so transfer it as soon as possible. One tip, before using the wooden bowl, please wet it to prevent the smell of vinegar sticking to it. Okay, then add the vinegar sauce over the rice. And distribute the sauce to all the rice grains evenly and quickly. The tip is to move the wooden spatula in a cutting motion to avoid smashing the rice. Okay. Then cover it with a wet cloth to prevent the rice from drying. The rice was cooked with less water than usual, so the rice sticks to the bottom of the nabe. But this rice is crispy and very delicious. I'm happy to enjoy this crispy rice. It is so good. Inari sushi is a popular dish at potluck parties. It's delicious finger food. I'd like to know your favorite finger food. If you like, please share it on the comment. Then this is yuzu. The season of yuzu begins now. This is hiragana. Today I use the skin. The aroma of yuzu is fantastic. Yuzu adds a refreshing touch. Good. This white part is bitter, so remove it. Nice. And chop it thinly. If you get yuzu, please use it. Beautiful. I prepared all ingredients. Then add them to the rice. And mix them well. If the temperature is too hot, the green color of mitsuba is lost, so the temperature is a little warm. Okay, this sushi rice is colorful and beautiful. Finally, finish inari sushi. Squeeze out the sauce. The level of squeezing is important. If squeezing is not enough, the rice becomes too moist. However, this sauce is delicious, so please find your best moisture of aburaage. Open the aburaage and enter the sumeshi into it. Make the rice into the bowl. It is important to shape the rice gently. And enter it. It is okay only at the rice. The best inari sushi is that the rice crumbles the moment we put it in our mouth. So arrange the surface gently, not strong. Close the mouth. Nice. Inari sushi is ready. We can enter the rice with a spoon too. The amount of the rice varies depending on people. I don't add much rice. The balance of the rice and aburaage is also important. Good. Let's arrange it on the plate. Inari sushi is done. The look is simple, but the inside is beautiful and the taste is delicious. Let's eat it. いただきます。Aburaage is soft, moist, and sweet. The rice is fluffy, and the vegetables are nice crunchy. Inari sushi is very delicious. Thank you. Did you enjoy? When I was a child, inari sushi was my favorite food. Of course, I love it now. I hope you enjoy delicious inari sushi at your home. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.